Hi, I'm Isa. Today we'll be doing the weather word search. And so, once you're looking at the paper, we'll go over what each of the words that we're going to be looking for are. So the first word is sunny. So sunny is when the sun is out in the sky up above and it's shining and it's really bright outside because of the sun's rays. The next word is rain. So rain is whenever you have water from the sky that's pouring down and there's a lot of water that comes down onto the ground because of it. The next word is clouds. Now clouds are the big white structures, the big white things in the sky, and they're the things that hold all the rain, and that's where the rain comes down. And so the next word that we have is snow. Snow is when you have the rain, the water that's in the sky, and it's going to come down, but it's really cold outside. So the water freezes, and then so you have frozen water, frozen little snowflakes that come down from the sky, and that's what makes snow. So the next word is storm, and storm is kind of like rain. So you still have water that's coming down from the sky, but it's raining really hard, and so you have a lot of rain and a lot of water coming down, and it's very heavy, and it makes a lot of water come on down to the ground. Hail is when the rain, the water that's coming down from the sky, is very hard and frozen, so it's really cold and really frozen. And that is what makes hail. And so they're really hard drops of rain, and they fall and they make hail, which can actually hurt you or hurt any of your things because it can hit the ground and it can hit your stuff and it can break it too. The next thing is fog. Fog is when you have those clouds in the sky, those big white things, you can see them on the ground too. So it's really hard to see, and it looks like there's clouds on the ground, and it's really foggy, and that's what you see, is that it makes it really, there's a lot of clouds, and it feels kind of watery, misty, and so it becomes hard to see where you're going. Thunder is what you hear whenever there's a storm. So when it's raining really hard outside, you can hear the thunder, and it's like a clap that you hear outside whenever it's raining really hard. Wind is what happens also outside, and it's when you have a lot of air that's blowing to you, and you feel the wind coming, and you feel a lot of air hitting you, and it makes your hair go everywhere, and that's what wind is. And lastly, you have a tornado. And a tornado looks like this, and it comes onto the ground. And it's when you have a lot of wind, and it's raining a lot, and it's really bad weather. And you have the tornado that comes onto the ground just like this, and it can hurt a lot like your home. It can hurt your people. And it's not good. It can mess up the ground, it can mess up your house, it can mess up anywhere because it's very, very strong. It's a lot of wind and air and a lot of rain, so it hurts. And so you can find all of these words in your word search. And if you have any trouble, I'm sure your teacher can help you. And so that is the weather word search. The next thing that we're going to go over is the Itsy Bitsy spider rhyme. And so you guys will be coloring the words in and the picture in, but the next thing that we're going to do is sing the song, because there's a song that goes with it, and there's a little dance that we can do too. And so the dance goes like this. The Itsy Bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. And so that's the words, and it's very easy to do, so you can play that again and try and get it. But there's a song, and we can do it with the song too, and so we can try this again.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Okay.
And that's it. And so that's how you do the itsy bitsy spider dance. And thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and good luck learning the weather and the dance.